Good day, everybody. I am going to show you the other side of this offer we've got. Trading baskets, high performance. And I'm going to show you the other side of it for how to get all your trading baskets and all that fun stuff. So once you log in and subscribe right here, I'll put the link for the buy offer, purchase offer. You'll get access to this dashboard. And there's a couple of highlights here. Let's start from the bottom. The first one is we have a private secure chat here, quantlabs.info. That's not tracked by anyone at all. That's anonymous, private. Anyone can join it and want to work that out and leverage that for a trading community privately. So again, there's no tracking and could go in there anonymously, no logging as well. The next one is the QLN private crypto bot. Don't think you're fancy here to get access to this. It will get you access to what's getting posted in the back end of this membership, and you have to log in and then click on the Telegram link to get access to it. If you're not logged in and active, you'll get blocked. That's how it goes. Also, we have our news channel. That's the standard stuff I post. Irregular is probably a better way to put it. I do live streams on this channel as well on Telegram. The reason I use Telegram is I've had censoring problems and throttling problems and whatever problems both on, well, all social media, including YouTube, which is the worst. Telegram as well, and sorry, on Twitter, but Telegram doesn't censor. That's why I'm there, and it's better quality than Zoom. Zoom's gotten really bad lately, and it's free for my end as well. Hey. The other thing is this right here, the trading baskets. So these, right now with the markets the way they are, the asset class that's most popular out of all the assets are forex. So there's the occasional commodity market index or who knows what, but majority right now are forex. So in that I put the forex asset class. Now also, just so you know, you do get access to other categories as well, depending upon your level. Right all along here, right here in the categories, so you can get access to all of them, but at $47 it's pretty limited. So usually it's going to be forex or stock or ETF, commodities, futures and options, not so much yet, but the beginning right now, that's the categories you can find under those asset classes. Again, you'll find that under categories. A lot of these you probably will not have access to. That's more for higher up memberships, and all the recent posts as well here. So that's how that works. So you can get immediate access into that, or as I said, you can join the Telegram as I printed out, as I already talked about. Lastly, we have our events page. Right now we do webinars of online events, whatever we call them, every Monday night, and that's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And what I'm going to find is that those will continue, and there's the odd Thursday I throw in there as well. I'm planning to expand this as well. And yeah, so that's pretty well it. If you ever need to log in, just log in here. Just go to quantlabs.net/academy. Also, there's a login as well along the side here as an option, but this alone right here, login should get you in. As you move up, there's courses, the elite stuff, and some other options as well. But there's only one dashboard if you're starting on this membership, and yeah, as you want to expand into other courses and memberships that I have, you get more access to that same back area. So that's pretty well it. If you want to know more, as I said, you want to join quantlabs.net/academy. Buy-quant-analytics will take you there. I'll put the link in the description of the video. And if you want to know more, you can always join our email list, free 2-hour video as well. And you get on our email list as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.